Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss about reflection of waves. Going to this class, we study about in the previous lecture, that is principle of superposition of waves. What is the principle of superposition of waves? When two or more waves are traveling in a medium with the same phase difference, with the same or opposite to phase difference, or opposite to the opposite direction, two or more are passing through the or traveling through the medium in the opposite direction or same direction, the resultant wave is we get in different way. That is, suppose these two waves, one wave, these two waves are superposition. This is a resultant vector of these two waves is like this. That means crust and crust can be superposition, trough and trough can be superposition. We get highest amplitude. Suppose here the amplitude is 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter. This is amplitude of the displacement is 2 centimeter. That is the resultant vector of two displacement. That is, suppose this first wave is y1, second one is y2. That is resultant wave is y1 plus y2. That means the resultant vector of the resultant displacement of the two waves are superposition. Okay, suppose we can displace the n number of waves like this. This is the displacement equation for n waves. This is first wave, second wave, third wave, like this. This is the superposition of the n waves. Okay, here see here in the first case at 0 time seconds the v is crust and trough it is there. Okay, after 1 second this can be closer. After 2 seconds it can be disappear. That means crust and trough can be cancelled, it get straight line. After superposition it can be separate like this. This is the mirror image of the first one, this like this. Okay, this is the mirror image. These two are the mirror image of the waves like this. And also see here these two waves, the one this one, even two waves are superposition. That is, first wave amplitude is a1, second wave is amplitude is a2. Okay, the resultant displacement or resultant amplitude is like this, a1 plus a2. This is a crust, and crust can be from a highest displacement, highest amplitude. That is highest amplitude, highest amplitude is nothing but brightness or dark, or brightness or brightness. It is we get highest brightness. Okay, this is a condition for it is this type of condition is called consecutive superposition of interference in the two waves are superposition. This is a condition when it is applicable, means if phi is equal to 0 above in the above condition, if pi is equal to 0 or 2 pi 4 pi, we get the bright fringes. Okay, and if phi is equal to pi 3 pi 4 pi 5 pi and up to 2n plus 1 pi, that is the resultant vector is disappear. It means it can be crust and trough can be cancelled, get a straight line. That is a dark ring or dark plane. That's condition. This is the type of is destructive superposition interference. It is this type of interference is called destructive superposition of interference. This is the two conditions is upper in the superposition of two or more waves are disappear or form a, the resultant vector is like this, or suppose like this here, the crust and trough, that is the resultant displacement is 0 when it is pi. The phase difference is from here to crust to trough is pi. Here crust to crust is the phase difference is pi by 2. Here pi is the same phase, it is different to phase. That is the reason. Okay, now we can explain the. Okay, now we discuss about reflection of waves. What is the reflection of waves? Means when a traveling wave is passes through the or strike the medium, there are there are three possibility reactions or actions are occur. That is, suppose this wave can be transmitted or strike the medium. It can be there will be three actions are possible at this point. One is reflection, second one is absorption, third one is refraction or transmission. First one is when a wave is traveling through the medium or strike them at a certain point, it can be there will be three possible actions are occur at this point. What this is, one action is reflection, second one is absorption, third one is refraction or transmission. Suppose the incident wave is 100% light, that is suppose red or yellow light, that is 499 angstrom wavelength are using. Okay, that is 100% of incident wave. The incident wave is traveling through the medium. Okay, the some of the wave is reflected, some of the wave is transmitted. Like see here, it is a red wave, that is incident wave. Red wave is 499 angstrom, sorry 699 angstrom. Okay, it can be reflected like this, it can be transmitted like this, it can be observed, that means it is transmission, reflection, here absorption. That means suppose it is a 40%, it is 30%, 40 plus 30 70, remaining 30. Okay, that means absorption plus transmission plus reflection is equal to 100%. The incident wave is 100% is applying 100% wavelength is applying through the medium. That can be, there are three possibility occur at a certain point. These are the reflection, absorption, refraction or transmission. Okay, this is the best example is optical fiber. Okay, we can using the optical fiber, there is some absorption, transmission, and under light, the light wave is passing through the some plates, crystals. Okay, they can be absorbed the some part of the light, some can be transmitted, some can be reflected. There is total the total of the absorption, total percentage of the absorption percentage, transmission reflection percentage 100. That means it can be incident is equal to sum of the output is equal to incident to wave percentage of the wave. This is a reflection. Okay, now we discuss reflection. Now we discuss about reflection waves and also transmission waves. The property waves are on a string is possible two ways. Okay, in a wave, some of the major it can be occur two ways. One is reflection, another one is transmission. Okay, we want to discuss about reflection and transmission. Okay, suppose we want to what is the difference between the reflection and transmission. The properties of waves. Okay, first we want to discuss about velocity of the wave v. What is the in the case of what is the speed velocity in the reflection wave is same. So v is same. That means in the case of transmission, the velocity can be changes. See here, that is the medium, this is the incident wave. Okay, that is the rigid body or medium. Okay, it can be strike. Suppose if you are having velocity v. Okay, after certain in the case of transmission, this can be like this. The velocity can be changes. The velocity of the wave, it is depends upon medium. Okay, that is medium is, it is a rarer medium. It is denser medium. The wave is traveling through the rarer medium to denser medium with moving with velocity v. The moving is v at reflection wave. The velocity of the wave can be changes in the transmission wave. The transmission wave is denser medium. It can be reflected like this. Okay, it can be transmitted like this. Some part is transmitted, some part is reflected. Okay, that's it. It is a in the case of from wave is transmitted to rarer medium to denser medium. This is the v is depends upon the velocity. Speed of the wave is depends upon medium. Okay, the rarer medium, it is denser medium. Okay, next property is frequency. It is denoted by frequency. Frequency is equal to what? What is the formula? F is equal to 2 pi by omega, or in the case of time period, t is equal to 1 by f. Okay, here frequency is same in the case of reflection wave. In the case of here, f is equal to same, here f is equal to same. There is no change. The frequency, incident wave frequency is same. The tensor medium frequency in denser medium and rarer medium will be same. There is no change. 2 pi is the angle, omega is the angular frequency. There is no change. Suppose the third parameter is k or lambda. K is the wave vector, lambda wavelength. Okay, what is the relation? K is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Okay, here everything initially is same. Lambda is wavelength and wave vector is same in the case of reflection. In the case of transmission wave, it is transmission wave. Lambda, so see, v is equal to, what is the relation? V is equal to nu lambda. Lambda is, and that means v is proportional to lambda. Frequency constant, there is no frequency same. Only velocity changes, lambda also changes. In the case of first speed of the wave, in the case of reflection is same. Transmission, in the case of transmitted wave, that can be changes, and also the wavelength and wave vector also changes. It is velocity of the speed of the wave is proportional to the wavelength of the wave or medium source. Okay, and also same here, wavelength is and wave vector is same. Here change the k wave vector and wavelength of the medium in the transmission, that is rarer medium. It is denser medium. Okay, and also next parameter is phase difference. That is pi. Initial case, what is the phase difference? This is a wave. What is the phase difference? It is going like this, come to like this. This is the circle. That is the phase difference is pi. In the case of reflected wave, that is phase difference is occur when phase difference is pi. Okay, suppose here phase difference is 0. It means like this, there is no change in any phase. Means the phase difference is 0. Okay, and also in the case of intensity is proportional to the amplitude of the square. That means amplitude is higher. That is amplitude. What is amplitude? The displacement of the particle, the maximum displacement of the particle is called amplitude. Amplitude is higher, we get highest intensity. In the case of superposition, we get like this one wave and also another wave is superposition. We get resultant vector like this. That means the displacement of the particle is higher, we get the highest amplitude. Highest amplitude is nothing but highest intensity. That is in the case of this condition is construct to interference, we get brightness or brightness in the interference. Okay, this is the difference between the reflection wave, transmission wave, okay, or error medium, denser medium. Okay, suppose this is the difference between the reflection wave, transmission wave. When it is wave is transmitted to the rarer to denser medium. Suppose now wave is transmitted to the denser to rarer. It is denser to rarer medium. Okay, rarer medium, denser to rarer medium. Okay, this effect of amplitude is like this. Okay, this can be reflected like this. Same, the dotted lines are reflected waves of the, that means in this case is a denser medium. Denser medium is like a closed, denser medium is, it is a closed pipe. It is a heavy medium. Okay, rarer medium is a open pipe, and also it is having lighter medium. Yeah, rarer medium, denser medium having like it act as a closed pipe, open, rarer medium again open pipe. Okay, the denser medium, the wave is traveling through the denser medium to rarer medium. Okay, moving like this with velocity v. The can be after transmission can be, the wave is transmitted with highest amplitude. The reflection wave is like this. Okay, along the same phase, the phase is same, that is phase is same means pi is equal to 0. Here the wave is here compared to like this. Here the wave is transmitted to or moved to rarer to denser medium is different. Okay, from denser to rarer medium is different like this. Okay, from this, in this case we can write the equation in the case of okay, now we can write the displacement equation in the first case, that is wave is from rarer medium moving, traveling through medium, rarer medium to denser medium, in the first wave, the wave 1 is a, the propagation wave sin kx minus omega t. Okay, this is the propagation wave, incident wave. It is the incident wave. The incident wave is like this. The incident wave is like this. This wave is incident wave. Y I is equal to ai sin kx minus omega t. Okay, this can be reflected like this with reverse direction minus v. This is the velocity v with opposite direction with phase pi. This is the phase difference is pi. That is, it can be written as y, or reflected displacement wave equation is a sin kx minus, okay, it is can be reverse direction plus omega t with phase difference is pi. It can be written as minus a sin kx plus omega t. This is the displacement wave equation for reflected wave. Okay, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, compare both this is here minus, it is positive direction, this negative plus is negative direction, opposite direction. Okay, that is with different phase difference. Okay, now this equations from first equation, the wave is traveling like this. Okay, this incident wave, the displacement of wave equation is the progressive wave yi is equal to a sin k omega kx minus omega t. Okay, after reflecting, this can be, wave is reflected like this. This is the reflected wave with the opposite direction. That is why with the phase difference here, crust it is tough. The crust tough is the phase difference with pi is the phase difference. Okay, the wave is diffracted through the medium. Okay, this is the that is the equation number is the displacement of the wave equation for reflected waves. Okay, it is occurring rarer medium to, it is for rarer medium to denser medium. Suppose the from wave is denser to rarer medium, the wave is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. The medium is like this. Okay, this is the denser medium to rarer medium. Okay, from this case we can write the equations. The first wave like this. We discuss that wave is transmitted through denser medium to rarer medium. The displacement wave equation we can write down. Okay, the denser medium wave is traveling, that is wave is, the incident wave is traveling like this. After it can be transmitted wave is like this. That is a denser medium, that is a rarer medium. Okay, with the velocity v, it can be coming through the same medium, that is it is a dotted lines are the reflected wave. The dotted lines are the reflected wave with small amplitude. This is a small amplitude with the initial wave is highest amplitude. It is a compared to both, it is highest amplitude. That is a transmitted wave is with the highest amplitude. The denser medium wave is traveling through the denser medium to rarer medium. We get the transmitted wave is highest amplitude. The sum of the wave is reflected with small displacement, that like this. See here, initial case, that is a medium is moving with velocity v I, initial velocity vi, that is the formula is by initial displacement to a sin kx minus omega t is the propagation wave initial velocity. Okay, it is transmitted to the medium, it is denser medium to rarer medium. It is denser medium, it is rarer medium. Okay, after reflection like this. That is a after certain time, it can be, this wave can be the incident wave, this vi is equal to this wave can be reflected some with a small displacement. This is compared to, this is a small displacement compared to this one. The resultant wave is like this in the transmission wave in the rarer medium. Okay, this is the equation. Now write down, we can write the equation for this y or reflected wave is a sin kx minus omega t, but it coming reverse case place. Okay, with same phase, phi is equal to 0. Phi is equal to 0 means there is no pi. It is a reflected wave. Incident wave is a sin kx minus omega t is the incident wave. Okay, only both are will be same phase, but change is direction. It is kx plus omega t. Here kx minus omega t. This is the difference between the displacement wave equation. The wave is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. Suppose we can write the formula, amplitude formula with velocity v. Suppose this is velocity vi. This is particle moving, velocity moving with v1. It is moving with v2. Reflected wave is moving with v1. The transmitted wave is moving with velocity. That is, we can write the amplitude of the reflection wave, v2 minus v1 by v1 plus v2 into amplitude of the initial. Okay, next we can write the amplitude of the transmitted wave, that is 2 v2 by v1 plus v2 into amplitude of the initial wave, incident wave. Okay, this is A is the amplitude of the incident wave, v2 is the velocity of the transmitted wave, v1 is the velocity of the speed of the reflected wave. Okay, it is the amplitude of the reflected wave, amplitude of the transmitted wave equations. Okay, now we discuss the reflection of and transmission of wave in a optical fiber. Okay, in optical fiber, like this, in the first case it is a rarer medium, denser medium, light is falls on a medium, it can be reflect. Okay, next one, the incident wave is falling, it can be like this, second case. In the third case, wave is transmitted, it can be reflected. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and also 4 possibilities occur, it can be transmitted like this. It is incident wave, this is the I is the incident angle of incident angle is equal to reflected angle. It is a reflected angle, it is the incident angle. Incident wave, it is a reflected wave. This is a possibility in the optical fiber. Optical fiber, that is the density of the rarer medium is, when it can be possible means the optical the angle of the in between the incident angle and reflected angle is theta is equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2. Then it can be reflected. Reflected means like this in the optical fiber, like this. And also it can be medium. This is the total internal reflection, means when a light is passing through the medium, it can be reflected one medium to another medium. It is a denser medium, it is a rarer medium. Okay, this can be applicable in the optical fiber. That is why we want to increasing the optical fiber for signals, televisions and communication systems, cell phones, landline phones, etc. That means we want to, nowadays we can signals, optical fibers are very useful. We want increasing the intensity, light intensity or strength of the signals. Okay, this is the example of the light is reflected or transmitted, how it is reflected, how is transmitted. Okay, that is the best example is of wave, that is the optical fiber. Okay, note that here one, it is depends upon Snell's law. Snell's law, what is equal to sin I by sin r. It can be AC here, sin I by sin r. The angle of two are equal, that is relation between the reflected wave and incident wave and reflected wave, it is obey the law of reflection. Suppose the relation between the incident wave and reflected wave, the obey the wave, that is Snell's law, that is sin I. Here like this, sin I is equal to sin R. That is incident wave and reflected wave obey the reflection law, and incident wave and refracted means transmitted wave obey the Snell's law.